Namaskar. Among all the vitamins, vitamin E is called as youth vitamin. It is nature's secret for glowing skin, strong immunity, and a healthy heart. But although it is important, many people don't get enough of it. Today, I'm going to tell you about how you can naturally get this essential nutrient through a sattvic diet. One thing you must understand that vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects our cells from getting damaged. Some scientific studies have also found how adequate amount of vitamin E protects our brain and maintain a proper hormonal balance. Some skin treatment includes high doses of this vitamin for anti-aging benefits. It is available in a synthetic form, but the best way to get it is through food where nature packages it perfectly. Some very good sources of vitamin E are whole wheat flakes, sunflower seeds, pistachio, almond, flax seeds, coconut, walnut, and quinoa. Try creating ways to include these things in your diet to meet your daily requirement of vitamin E. Let me give you two unique recipes. One is for safflower seed and walnut energy bite. These little bites are naturally sweet and full of good fats. Take about 2 tablespoons of safflower seed, roast them slightly to give out its natural flavor. Next, take 5 walnuts and chop them up and roast them just till they smell amazing. Now, for an extra nutrition boost, we will add 2 tablespoons of flaxseed powder. For sweetness, let's take 5 soft dates. If they are a little firm, soak them in water for a few minutes and then mash them up. We are also adding 1 tablespoon of dry coconut powder, which gives a nice texture, and 1 teaspoonful of whole pressed coconut oil to bind everything together, and add just a pinch of cardamom powder for some warmth. Now let's put it all together. First, dry roast safflower seed and walnut until they are slightly golden, just enough to bring out their natural oil. Once they have cooled a bit, blend them into a flax seed into a coarse mixture, not too fine. We want a little crunch. Now in a bowl, mix this blend with a mashed date and grated coconut oil, and cardamom powder. Give everything a good mix until they start coming together. Then shape them into small balls or small bites. Put them in refrigerator for about 30 minutes to allow them to set properly. And here it is ready. Whenever you need a quick snack, you can eat them and get your nutrient. And here you get a good dose of vitamin E. Now let's move on to something more filling. Quinoa and spinach savory pancake. These are perfect if you are looking for a light but nutritious snack. Start with half a cup of quinoa, but soak it for about 4 hours before using. This makes it softer and easier to digest and even enhances the nutrients. While that's soaking, take 2 tablespoons of flaxseed powder and soak it in 4 tablespoons of water. This will turn into a gel-like mixture. Now take half cup of finely chopped spinach. It adds freshness and dose of iron. For some crunch, add 1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds. They are a great source of vitamin E. Then for flavor, we are adding half a teaspoon of rock salt, cumin powder, and black pepper, and of course a little olive oil for cooking. First, blend the soaked quinoa with flaxseed water until you get a smooth batter. This is the base of our pancake. Hold the batter into a bowl, then mix in the chopped spinach, sunflower seed, salt, cumin, and black pepper. Give it a good stir. Heat a pan, add a teaspoon of olive oil and pour small round of the batter. Let them cook on a medium flame until they turn into a golden brown on one side. Then flip and cook the other side. These pancakes are light, packed with protein, and full of vitamin E. Serve them with some fresh chutney or yogurt, and you have got a delicious sattvic meal. Remember, vitamin E is not a just supplement, it is a gift from nature, and your body receives it. So, when you do such small changes in your life, you really get benefits. Namaskar.